हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम सभी देखने वाले हैं 40 MCQ बेसिक क्वेश्चन ऑफ कंप्यूटर। व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ सीपीयू? सीपीयू का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, सेंट्रल प्रोसेसिंग इज द करेक्ट आंसर। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ दिस इज एन इनपुट डिवाइस? इनपुट डिवाइस क्या है? ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट आंसर, माउस। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, विच मेमोरी इज यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग डेटा टेम्पोररी? RAM is the correct answer. Question number 4 है, what does HTTP form HTTP stand for? Option A is Hypertext Transfer Protocol is the correct answer. Question number 5 है, who is known as the father of computer? कंप्यूटर का पिता किसे कहा जाता है? चार्ल्स बेबेज is the right answer. Question number 6, what type of language is Java? High level language. Question number 7 है, which is not a programming language? Programming language MS Office is the right answer. What is the full form of URL? Uniform Resources Locator. Question number 9, which of these is a web browser? Option B is the right answer, Chrome. Question 10, which language is used for web development? HTML is the right answer, Hypertext Markup Language. Question number 11, the brain of any computer system is CPU. Question number 12, in computing, what is the firewall? Option B is the right answer, a type of security. Question number 13, what is Linux? Linux क्या है? Any operating system. Question number 14 है, which of these is used to connect to a computer to internet? Router का help से connect करता है. Which, what does GUI? GUI stand for graphical user interface. Question number 16 है, what is the smallest unit of data in computer? Bit is the smallest unit of data. Question number 17 है, which company developed the Windows OS operating system? Microsoft was developed OS. Question number 18, what is the full form of IP networking? Internet Protocol. Question number 19, which of these is an example of an optical disc? DVD is the right answer. Question number, which component holds the data temporarily while the CPU processing instructions? Question number 20 का answer is RAM is the correct answer. Question number 21, which command is used to clear the screen MS-DOS? Option B is the correct answer, CLS. Question number 22, which of the following is an example of application software? MS Word is the right answer. Question number 23, what does SMTP stand for? Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Question number 24, what does WW stand for? World Wide Web. Question number 25, which of the following is a binary number? Binary number क्या है? Binary number stand for 1101. Question number 26 है, which programming language is primarily used for artificial intelligence? Python is the use of the artificial intelligence. 27, which device is used to store data? Hard disk is the correct answer. Question number 28, which of the following is not a operating system? Java is not operating system. Question number 29, which software is used to create text document? MS Word is the right answer. Question number 30, what is the kilobyte? Kilobyte stands for, किलोबाइट कितना केबी का होता है? 1024 बाइट्स इक्वल टू 1 केबी. 31, which type of memory is non volatile? ROM is the right answer. Question number 32, which software helps the browsing the internet? Firefox is the right answer. 33, which file format is used to for web page में? Web page HTML is the right answer. Which of the following is the primary storage device? RAM is the correct answer. Question number 35, in computer graphics, RGB stand for red, green, blue. Question number 36, which type of network connects computer with a building, LAN, local area network? Question number 37, what is the main function of the operating system? Manage hardware and software resources. Question number 38, what is the shortcut key for copy in most programs? Control C. Which company developed the Android OS? Google is the developer OS operating system. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. धन्यवाद सभी को. धन्यवाद. इसी प्रकार के वीडियो चाहते तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.